ngasi kumsi lai harau phaubugi manungda lemakpa lupa lakh taraga nithoi asi akhoigi ibudhou gi mandir sibu loisinnabugi damukta ikai khumizaraba MLA Moirang sigi tamo santina sinbiraktuna contractor RK SAILESH kumarda asigi paisa asi akhoigi president amadi akhoigi ngu khadakpa anina mayam mamangda khusinajari
ngasi Ibudhou Thanjing laimangda Thanjing SABA mandal ge maikei degi lupa lakh taraga nithoi khak hariba mandir si sananai bidamukta pukjal chawroba khagi kada RK SAILESH kumarda lupa lakh tara nithoi sinakhibaga loinana yanaba bagi makhada MOU sign tongnanabagi warep sulaure maram aduna warep adugi maramda MOU di maramda tentangna ai pathokcharake consequent upon mutual understanding reached in the presence of Sri Thongam Chanti Singh Honorable MLA Moirang and Sri Ibudhou Singh Ingu Khadrak Ibudhou Thanjing Thamnai Loisang Moirang and others on 20 July 2022 at the premises of Ibudhou Thanjing Laikol, a memorandum of understanding was executed between Sri Rajkumar SAILESH Kumar Singh, contractor, and Sri Ibudhou Singh, President Interim Executive Committee, Thanjing SABA Mandal, Moirang, herein after referred to as Party 1 and Party number 2 respectively under the following terms and the conditions. Term number 1, that the Party number 1 agreed to construct the remaining portion of Ibudhou Thanjing Temple or Shrine and complete the construction work within 6 months or so. 2, that the Party number 2 also agreed to arrange payment of cost of construction from time to time by way of depositing the same against the account of Party number 1. That Shri Shanti Singh, Honorable MLA Moirang, shall stand surety for the coordination and the implementation of the above two paras. 4. That the Party number 2 stands to abide by the terms and the conditions entered in para 2 with the concurrence of the interim committee as conferred upon by its proceedings meeting dated. Para number 5, that Shri Shanti Singh, Honorable MLA Moirang, and Shri Ibudhou Singh Ingu Khadrakpa shall stand as witnesses to the execution of the memorandum of understanding. This memorandum of understanding signed on this day, 20th July 2022. Party number 2 के माइकई द कुमाम अचौब सिंह प्रेसिडेंट इंटरिम कमिटी थंजिंग सभा मंडल दुगा पार्टी नंबर 1 की माइकई द राजकुमार शैलेश सिंह contractor. This is the brief memorandum of understanding executed just in front of the premises of Ibudhou Lord Thanjing. Thank you.